Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series. We are in lesson number 54, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, now in this lesson I'm going to show you, we have done with operators. Alright, I had given you sufficient amount of examples, different types of operators, how it works with a code, and now I believe that you guys are getting a hang of it. Let's move on to another topic. It's called list. Okay, what exactly is the list? So let me show you some example how we can probably, what we should do is, let's forget about operator and start creating a new file now. So all right, we are back to the rhythm of creating new file for every exercise, right? All right guys, so Python list, what exactly it is? So lists are basically used to store multiple items in a single variable, right? Store multiple items in a single variable. It might be confusing unless until I show you an example with a code, right? Now basically the lists are one of the 4 built-in data types in Python. There are 4 different data types which are actually built in within Python, which is used to store a collection of data. Okay. The other 3 are basically, the other 3 types are tuple, set and dictionary, which I'm going to cover in the next lesson, all with a different types of qualities and usage and the applications. It depends upon what you're trying to do. Let's do one thing guys. I'm going to log into my Jetson Nano. I am already logged in, and let me clear this. Alright, so let's create a new file, nano list.py. I am just going to name it as a list. You may name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it as list. Okay, now I'm into the Nano IDE. Let me give an example. List. Okay, this list equal to, I am going to create an object with a square bracket and then double quote apple. Okay, close the double quote, comma, separator, and then open the double quote, give another object, say banana, double quote, separator, comma, and then let me give another example, say cherry. Okay, close it. Let me close with a square bracket. Okay, now print round bracket this list. Okay, what do you think is going to happen? It's simple, right? But it's going to get more and more complex as you see further. Let me just print this. Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3 list.py. You have an apple, you have a banana, you have a cherry. So that's your list, guys. You have created your first list in Python. All right, yeah. So it's a pretty straightforward lesson how to create a list. I just showed you how to create a list, a basic list, an object within the square bracket. Now in the next tutorial I am going to show you how to modify, play around and juggle around and kind of thing. There are multiple stuffs you can do with the list in Python. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Do please like, subscribe and do leave a comment, and I'm going to get back to you soon. Bye bye.